channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I make my wigs. Please note that this is not a tutorial, you're just watching me make a wig. So first you're going to need a hair, of course, a dome cap or a mesh cap or whatever cap you feel comfortable making your wigs on, a needle, thread, measuring tape, needles, and most importantly you need a wig head. I measure the circumference of my head and I bought a wig head to match that circumference. So this is the hair that I am using, and side note, I hate this hair so much. On the packaging it said that it's a human hair, but it's giving me more of a human hair blend. Like, I hate it so much. So what I'm doing right here, I'm just adjusting the closure to match the dome cap so that when I'm stitching everything is all perfectly aligned. So I'm using the T-pins to just hold it in position so that when I'm sewing it won't be a problem and it won't be moving all over the place. So I just line up the mesh with the beginning of the dome cap, right? So I know you're seeing some lines on the dome cap, don't worry, I'm going to explain that in a second, which I probably should have done this first, but as I said before, this is not a tutorial. So what you're going to do, you're going to measure from the starting of the dome cap, right, and you're going to draw some lines that are 1 inch apart. This ensures that the dome cap is not too tight and it fits perfectly to your head. And you should also ensure that you measure from your forehead to the nape of your neck and ensure that the wig cap is stretched to that length. So right here I'm just stitching the closure onto the wig cap, and how I do it, I like to loop it twice. Like, I don't even remember what that stitch is called, but when I remember what that stitch is called, I'm going to just leave it in the caption so you can see it. But yeah, I like to stitch it and then put the needle through. Yeah, just like that. Put the needle through the loop. Don't remember what that stitch is called. So I do this halfway and then I stop, and then I start on the other side again and bring it up to that halfway point. This ensures that the closure is laid flat. See, yes, that loop thing. I loop the needle through the thread. I hope that makes so much sense. Please don't make the same mistake that I did. Ensure that your needle is sharp. So right now what I'm doing, I am knotting the thread. So what I do, I wrap the thread around the needle a couple times and then I draw it through and then I cut it to a certain length and then I tie a knot twice. I open up the thread and I tie a loop twice. I hope that makes sense. I know you're not seeing it here because, as I said, the camera angles are bad, but don't fault me. This is my first time doing a wig tutorial and it only goes up from here. So this is me going from the other side up to the halfway mark. So this is a closure stitch down, and now we're going on to the front part. So what I did, I double wefted mine because I wanted a lot of volume. So the lines that we drew on the cap is going to serve as a guideline, and trust me, it's 1000% beginner friendly. That's how I learned. So what I'm doing, I'm just using the T-pins to secure the weft in place. T-pins are your friends. So this is the hair 1/4 done, and that's how it's looking so far. shape part of the cap. Like if you are a professional wig maker and you're watching this video, like please, I'm still learning. So this is how I stitch the hair down, and because this is like a synthetic hair blend, even though they claim it's human hair, I don't mind sewing through the weft, right? If this was really human hair, I wouldn't sew through the weft. You know what I wish I did? I wish I used this wig and made a headband wig. I think this type of hair would have been perfect for a headband wig. So all I'm doing is just pulling the thread so I can really straight through. Again, this so oh my gosh. I had this needle for years. Alright, so this is how I'm going to do the flip over method. Honestly, for beginners, I recommend that you just cut the weft, right? It makes it so much easier. But when you cut the weft, you will get a significant amount of shedding and uneven. So what I do, I just push the needles through the weft downward, and then while the needle is downward, I'm going to use a T-pin to just pin the hair in position like that, and then I'm going to just flip it over and see that the needle is down. All I do at the position of the T-pin, I just push the needle back up through the cap, through the weft, and that's how I do the flip over method. I don't know if this is the correct way. This is just how I do it, and I'm open to constructive criticism, right? Yes, I'm also sorry for the fluctuating light. But yeah, this is essentially how I do it, right? And continue watching. If you found this video to be helpful in any way, shape, or form, ensure that you subscribe, share with your friends. I would greatly appreciate it, because I don't know why these social media platforms hate the Caribbean, but they do, and they like to limit our reach to international folks. But you can help me combat that by sharing my content, and forcing people around you to subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a wonderful, blessed day, guys. And don't forget that God